Hello everyone. In my last webinar, I talked about the importance of reaching in-quality products by increasing basically the quality of the processes. And we have seen that how to do that, basically, we have to be able to handle variations. And on this subject, we also briefly analyzed the typical approaches and disciplines and tools that are used today during problem solving and all those activities that should lead to process improvement. But improving a physical process is risky, right? For sure, it takes time, it is expensive, and the results are also uncertain most of the time. That's why we concluded that basically the smartest way to create in-quality processes is doing it by prevention. Now, if we think about it, the overall stamping process, where and when prevention should and could be performed in a more comprehensive way, well, for sure is process engineer, process design. I am Gianfranco Ruggiero, product manager here at AutoForm. In my next webinar, I'll be talking about how to adopt quality standards criteria while designing stamping processes. We will see how the link between causal variation and effect can be analyzed right away from the very beginning. How risk assessment can be performed also since the beginning, and how to make decisions based on data rather than assumptions. As usual, there will be two identical sessions, 30 minutes each, basically. The first one is at 9 a.m., the second one 4 p.m. Central European Standard Time. And I really hope that you all process engineers or quality engineers, team leaders, and all of you in general working in the stamping industry basically can join me and assess by yourself what engineering can and should deliver today to ease already tryout, to shorten tryout, and bring in-quality tools directly to production. Thank you.